How to use a washroom. Most of us don't know how to use a high commode properly. So here it is. A basic life skill will be taught to you now. At first, prior to using the commode, flush it. Yeah. It will help to prevent sticking any feces to pan. Next, if you want to pee, leave the toilet seat up. By doing this, you won't make the toilet seat wet. If you want to do shit, simply sit on the toilet seat like a chair and then shit. Now, after shitting, wipe your ass with tissue and then wash that area using hand shower. Please, do not go for touching your ass with left hand like the Indians. You don't need to touch your asshole to clean it. Speedy water flow from hand shower is well enough to clean the feces off your ass. Lastly, to ensure that your shit is not floating in the pan, while flushing the commode, hold the water flow of hand shower at the center of the whirlpool created by flush. That's it. Remember, leave it as it was. Make sure, next user gets a clean washroom after your use.